Welcome to Smart Kids. Hello, Smart Kids. Children, we are going to learn English subject in class 1. In English subject, we are going to learn new lesson. Our lesson name is bicycle. Listen, read aloud and enact. Raj is on the bicycle. Varad wants it. Children, in this picture, there is a boy in red t-shirt. His name is Raj. In green t-shirt, there is a boy. His name is Varad. Varad pushes Raj up and ride the bicycle. How do we think Raj feel? Children, in this story, in this lesson, both Raj and Varad wants to ride the bicycle. Both are now fighting to each other. Who will ride the bicycle first? Raj is on the bicycle. Varad wants it. What? First Raj is on the bicycle. What Varad said ki he will ride the first he will ride the bicycle first. Varad pushes Raj. In this picture you can see Varad is pushing to Raj and he is asking for the bicycle. Varad pushes Raj off and ride the bicycle. Raj is on the bicycle. Varad wants it. Varad pushes Raj off and ride the bicycle. In this lesson, both Raj and Varad wants to ride the bicycle. Both are fighting to each other. See, how does Raj feel? How does Varad feel? See, in this picture you can see both Raj and Varad wants to ride the bicycle. They are fighting to each other about, they are discussing about the bicycle. Who is going to ride the first bicycle? Raj is saying first I will ride the bicycle and Varad is saying first I will ride the bicycle. What Varad did, he pushes the Raj off, then he said first I will ride the bicycle. In this lesson both Raj and Varad wants to ride the bicycle. Now we'll see how do we think Raj feels, how do we think Varad feels. Raj cries. Raj is in a red t-shirt. He started crying. He is feeling very sad and is becoming angry. What do we think? What will happen next? Now Raj grabbed the bicycle back. What he did? He grabbed the bicycle back. Raj and Varad shout. What happened? Raj and Varad shout. Both are started shouting to each other. Then in this picture you can see there is a lady in sari. Shutma madam comes over. Raj, you look upset. In this picture you can see there is a Shutma madam come over here. She is saying ki Raj, you look very upset. Raj grabbed the bicycle back. Raj and Varad, they are started shouting to each other. So in this lesson now, Shushma madam will come now. She will say something to them. Both wants to ride the bicycle. Raj is saying first he will ride the bicycle. Then Varad is saying first he will ride the bicycle. Now what will happen? What will happen in the lesson now? We'll see. Both Raj is looking very upset. Raj started crying. He is very upset. He is saying first he will ride the bicycle. Yes. Shushma madam comes over. Raj, you look upset, and Varad, you seem angry. I want the bicycle, said Varad. What Varad is saying? First he will ride the bicycle. I was on the bicycle. You push me. What Raj said? I was on the bicycle. You push me. Don't do that, said Raj. What Raj said? He was already riding the bicycle. So Varad pushes him. First he will ride the bicycle. But it's a bad habit, children. We should not fight to each other. First we all are friends na. We should make a round of one by one. Then we should ride the bicycle. Now we'll see. Raj and Varad both wants to ride the bicycle. What could they do? Raj grabbed the bicycle back. Raj and Varad shout. Shitma madam comes over. In this story you can see Shishma madam is in red sari. She's saying what's going on? Don't do fight. Don't do fight and don't be angry. Take the chance one by one and ride the bicycle. First, Varad is saying कि I will ride the bicycle, and Raj is saying first I will ride the bicycle. Now see, Raj and Varad both wants to ride the bicycle. What could they do? Varad can have the bicycle. When I have finished my turn, I will ride 3 times, said Raj. Now then it's your turn. Okay, I will count. Varad can have the bicycle. What Raj said कि first you ride the bicycle. You make a 3 round. 3 times round and ride the bicycle. When I have finished my round, they have worked it out. Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. Now it's Varad's turn. They both had a turn. How is Raj feeling now? They have worked it out. Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. Now it's Varad's turn. They both had a turn. How is Raj feeling now? How is Varad feeling now? See, in this lesson, children, we should not fight to each other. We all are friends, na? So what Raj is saying, first he will ride the bicycle, and Varad is saying first he will ride the bicycle. But then in between, Shushma madam came. She said ki don't shout, don't be angry, make a 3-3 round, then start riding bicycle. See, in this, Raj is making 3 round of the bicycle, and Varad also making 3 round of the bicycle. Both are feeling happy now. Both are riding the bicycle. In this lesson, you can see Raj is also riding the bicycle, and Varad also riding the bicycle. This is a picture of boys. They are riding the bicycle. This is a picture of Raj. Raj is riding the bicycle. This is the picture of Varad. Varad is riding the bicycle. Children, do you like to ride the bicycle? Yes. See in this picture, one boy is riding the bicycle. In this picture also, boy is riding a bicycle. Thank you. Please share and like my videos and subscribe my channel for more upcoming lesson videos.